Okay, the most important thing to do is the very important. You must put your leaves together, kind of like this, but then you go like this, and then you kind of draw in some air. You kind of suck in your lips, you know what I'm saying? And then you gotta go put your tongue right here, and then you will suck in the air. The air will conformulate with the wind and will form the sound. So it goes something like this. This is a little tutorial on how to do the sound. You can do the sound in two different ways. I try to do it like this with my lips. See, very weak, you know. You want a very strong, powerful sound. So you get your tongue and you put with the lips at the same time, so you get the special oscillation, and it kind of goes like this. You know. So that's a little tutorial, you know, on the special sound. It's only special if you believe. But we'll see.